Welcome back to Cars Jade Channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Mercedes G Class. The Mercedes-Benz G Class has long been a symbol of rugged capability and luxury. Over the decades, it transformed from a utilitarian off-roader into a six-figure icon coveted by adventurers and celebrities alike. Mercedes is taking the G Class into the future with the all-electric G580 Electric, a groundbreaking model blending its iconic design with cutting-edge EQ technology. The 2026 G Class EV maintains its signature boxy silhouette, ensuring it remains instantly recognizable. But beneath the familiar exterior lies a revolutionary all-electric drivetrain that promises exceptional off-road performance. With 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel, the G580 Electric delivers a staggering 579 horsepower and cutting-edge off-road capabilities. The G580 Electric represents an all-new chapter for Mercedes-Benz. This electrified version of the G Class brings advanced technology, sustainability, and performance to the brand's legendary off-road lineup. The G580 Electric boasts some impressive innovations designed for both urban and off-road adventures. Tank turn. Using a feature called G-turn, the SUV can spin 360 degrees within its own length by powering the wheels on one side in the opposite direction to those on the other. G-steering. This technology varies the power delivered to each motor, enabling tighter turning circles and improved off-road maneuverability. All-terrain features. Virtual differential locks, torque vectoring, and an off-road crawl function ensure the electric G Class retains its legendary off-road prowess. Built on a ladder frame chassis, just like its gas-powered predecessors, the G580 Electric features independent front suspension and a solid rear axle, maintaining its robust design while accommodating modern electric components. Inside the G580 Electric, and you'll find a cabin that's as luxurious as it is advanced. Premium materials, Nappa leather upholstery and customizable ambient lighting set a sophisticated tone. Commanding view. The upright dashboard design provides excellent visibility for navigating challenging terrain. Massaging seats. Part of the active multi-contour Seat Plus package, these seats also feature adjustable side bolsters for added support during off-road drives. While the rear seats aren't as spacious as those in the GLS, they still offer ample comfort. The cargo area provides 19.6 cubic feet of storage space, less than the gas-powered version due to the packaging of the rear electric motors and battery modules. At the heart of the G580 Electric is its advanced drivetrain. 4 electric motors. Individually controlled, these motors deliver a total of 579 horsepower and an impressive 859 lb-ft of torque. Off-road mastery. The independent control of each motor allows for unparalleled precision, making this G Class capable of tackling even the most challenging terrains. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz G Class starts at $170,650, reflecting its status as a luxury electric off-roader, making it a highly anticipated addition to Mercedes' lineup. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.